Note down the problem, Nana. The product of perpendiculars, question number 5. The product of perpendiculars from L comma M, the product of perpendiculars from L comma M to the pair of lines x square minus y square is equal to 0. The pair of lines x square minus y square is equal to 0. The pair of lines x square minus y square is equal to 0. Okay, Nana. Since we know the perpendicular product of perpendiculars. Product of perpendiculars is a formula that is nothing but ax1 square plus 2hx1 y1 plus by1 square by square root of a minus b whole square plus 4h square. So here this is the pair of lines. This is the point x1 comma y1. So the perpendicular distance d is equal to, substitute the value L comma M here instead of x, L square minus M square by root of a minus b. A means 1, b means minus of minus 1 whole square plus 4 into h, the value of h is equal to 0. So finally the distance d is equal to modulus of L square minus M square, here minus of minus plus 2, 1 plus 1 2, 2 square is equal to 4, root 4 is equal to 2. This is the product of perpendiculars from the given point L comma M to the given pair of lines. Note down. Question number 6. The area of triangle formed by the pair of lines x square plus 4xy plus y square is equal to 0, and the line x plus y minus 1 is equal to 0, and the line x plus y minus 1 is equal to 0. He asking the area of a triangle. The formula of area of triangle is delta is equal to n square into root of h square minus ab by modulus of am square minus 2hlm plus bl square. This is the area of triangle. N square into root of h square minus ab by modulus of am square minus 2hlm plus bl square. So here we find the values. Compare the given equation with original pair of lines ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. Here the value of a is equal to 1, h is equal to 4, h means coefficient of xy. So finally h is equal to 4 and b is equal to 1. The line compare with lx plus my plus n is equal to 0. So the value of L is equal to 1, M is equal to 1, N is equal to minus 1. Replace the values. N square. Value of N square is equal to here minus 1 whole square into root of h square means, so a value is equal to 2. 2 square minus ab 1 into 1 by a m square minus 2 into h means 2, lm means 1 into 1 plus b means 1 into l square means 1 square. So finally delta is equal to minus 1 whole power minus 1 whole square. So is 1 into 4 minus 1 root 3 by here 1, here also 1, 1 plus 1 2, 2 minus 4 modulus of minus 2. So area, finally area is equal to root 3 by 2 square units. Note down. First problem, multi correct choice. Multi. Question number 22. The lines represented by the equation 6x square minus xy plus 4cy square is equal to 0. The lines represented by the equation 6x square minus xy plus 4cy square is equal to 0. Is the lines are, first line L1 is equal to 3x plus 4y is equal to 0, comma second line L2 equal to kx minus 3y is equal to 0. So the multi-correct options are, first option c is equal to minus 3, second option c is equal to 2, third option k is equal to 2, and fourth option k is equal to minus 2. So observe Nana. Okay. Here I take the equation s is equal to. S is the combined equation of L1 into L2. S is the combined equation of L1 L2. So S means 6x square minus xy plus 4cy square is equal to L1 into L2 means multiply these two. 3x plus 4y into kx minus 3y. Multiply these two lines. 3x into under 3kx square 3 into 3 minus 9xy plus 4kxy, and finally minus 12 y into y square. So 6x square minus xy plus 4cy square. Comparing these two. First comparing the terms of x square. If comparing x square terms, left side is equal to 6, right side only 3k. So 3 cancel 2 times. So k is equal to 2. K is equal to 2 means this is correct option. And coming to y square terms. Here y square means 4c is equal to minus 12. C is equal to minus 3. So this is correct. Only these two options are correct only. Note down. If you have any doubts, ask me. Note down the next problem, 23rd. Statement 1. Statement 1 is the angle between the pair of lines. The angle between the pair of lines. Statement 2 is correct. This is a direct formula. And coming to statement number 1, here a is equal to 6, b is equal to minus 6. We discussed in previous classes, if a plus b is equal to 6 minus 6, that is equal to 0. But Ram Sirisha, if a plus b is equal to 0, then what is the angle between the lines, Nana? Abhinav.
90, sir.
Is 90, that is equal to pi by 2. So given answer is also pi by 2. Here statement 1 is also correct. Statement 1 and statement 2 both are correct, Nana. Note down. Here we need not to find the angle. First observe the coefficient of x square a, coefficient of x square b. If the addition of these two we will get 0, then the angle between them is 90. 90 is nothing but pi by 2. So these two lines are called pair of perpendicular lines. Pair of perpendicular lines.